Hey Shepherd Rams, welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. This is my last episode focusing on mindfulness. So just as a quick review, mindfulness is about staying in this present moment that we're in. And remember that our brain likes to create a whole story, an automatic storyline in our head that is either worrying about what's coming up in the future, which isn't here yet, or going back into the past to replay and think over and over again about what's already happened and what we can't make be different. So we focused on doing the things that you love, that fill you up, and really staying there in the moment with those things, really soaking them up like a sponge. And we also talked about how when our mind worries about things that might happen in the future or might go wrong, about how to let those move on past, like you're watching a stream go by and you stand on the bank and you come back to this moment that you're in, because we don't know what the future's going to bring. We also talked about in relationships, really being there for those conversations and the time with the people that you care about. And we also talked about the negativity bias that our mind has, that in the course of a day, most things go okay, but we really focus on the parts that go wrong, and that takes up more of our radar screen. So the last thing I want to talk about, I've been hearing a lot of students feeling really stressed out and overwhelmed by the amount of work and feeling like it's piling up. And that storyline, that automatic thought process jumps in. This is too much, I can't do it, what if I don't pass, what if I fail this test, all of that what if thinking. And so let's say you have an exam coming up and you feel really overwhelmed with trying to get ready for it. There's too much to study, too much to read. And so often what happens is we just shut down and we just avoid it and we procrastinate. So what I'm going to ask you to remember to do is to come back just to this moment and break that process down into little teeny tiny steps that you can do, because you can only live your life in the moment that you're in. So maybe it's, I just need to open the book. I can open a book, I can do that. I need to read this paragraph. I can do that. I can read this paragraph. And as you go through and you have one successful moment after another, then before you know it, you've been able to accomplish, prepare, get ready, and do what you need to do. Because you pulled yourself from the future and you took it one teeny tiny step at a time. So hopefully that'll help with the work that you have coming up or things that you have to get done and get accomplished. But it's been really great being with you this month. And just remember, counseling services is here. If you need to request an appointment, just go to our page on RamPulse and submit the request form. So take care, Rams. Really proud of you. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.